Hey folks, the desert artist here. I wanted to show you, remember I was telling you about the passion flower out there in the field, right? Okay, well I went back and I picked a couple passion fruits and I thought I'd open them with you and so we can see what's inside. So these ones are a little bit different. This one is a little bit green and has a little bit of yellow tinge to it. It's nicely puckered, as you can see. This one is a little bit more puckered, and it is got a little bit of green, and it's turning a little bit of brown here. So they both got decent weight, so I know that they're sugared and liquidy and all kinds of probably yummy sweetness inside. Let's see what it looks like in the inside. Yeah, look at that. Oh man. Look at that. Right? Oh. It looks like a bunch of boogers. Wow. This is really good. Pull it right out of the chute. You see that? You turn it inside out like this, and then all the fruits, all the seeds in the fruit are exposed. So, now that we know what that one tastes like, at least I know what it tastes like, you don't. Okay. Now let's open this one. This one was a little bit greener, remember? That one tasted pretty good, had a good flavor to it. Oh, this one looks just as juicy. Maybe even juicier than the last one. See how the membranes are a little bit better. The flavors not quite as intense on the flavor scale. It seems to be juicier. So let me try them again. If you have dentures, you don't want these. you gotta have some pretty decent chompers to chew up all them seeds. But it is yummy. Yummy. Free fruit growing in my field. Oh, I see you can see my garage behind me. It's a mess. I'm trying to straighten it up. It's kind of getting there, but it's not to the point where I want to show anybody yet because everything is still strewn across all the countertops. So at some point I will probably provide a GoPro video of me just doing stuff because, well, editing takes a lot of time, you know, and time is precious. You'll see in one of my videos, I'll get around to doing a time and life and perspective and meaning of suffering.